Okay. Fuck, I love this song.
There's a boy I know. In the morning, catch him moving slow. So many places that he wants to go, but doesn't know where he's going. He's a character on a mission and he'll win for sure. Right behind me everywhere I turn. He's just got this way of knowing. Oh, Sammy, Sammy, your little face is sweet as candy, candy. Could have the hearts of so many, many, but I'm so glad that you're mine. We take a walk outside. He loves to go out in the summertime, and in between he never leaves my side. He really likes eating carrots.
He thinks they're cookies, dude.
Oh, Sammy, Sammy, your little face is sweet as candy, candy. Could have the hearts of
Big piece logo. How many logos?
Stop, welcome to the hood.
Platmus. Murang bibu.
I'm joking.
Sap platmus. Kenapa siapa?
Luffy's
Lagi. Enma. Famous. Marcelo Fernandez Jr. Hi guys. Hi mom.
Hi guys.
Saan yung
This vlog.
Ayun sa iyat trip na si Mami. Mom's not really that perfect anymore.
Video ko kaniyot. Daraw airport. Di na makita kay may kuan.
Siguro magkagpuntaw ko si Yung si Kuya. Oo, yun. Si Yung sino ba to? Yan ka tong ni Kawas siya.
I'm going to miss you, Lo. It was so many
You are now arriving to Mactan, Cebu International Airport. Maayong pag-abot sa Cebu.
Balikod.
Ikaw na ko. Sa'yo lagi no? Japan, here we go.
Late night, the streets filled with cheap limousines. Boys and girls dress up and play at the dreams. Did they ever stop to think or wonder why? 'Cause I'm just